Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you a live attack that I'm doing. So first of all, whenever you are looking to attack any player, you scout them off. This is how you just scout them. That shows you what is available. So here uh, Bow Beast store here has in store 49 million food, lumber, store own iron ore. So this is how what these are the details you get before attacking. So it's better to always scout, and then I would proceed to attack. I select my general. This is the general who I can select. These are the various generals that I have. You select the best general that you have. You can see the points here: leadership, attack, defense, politics. So you always select the best general that you have, and then you attack with them. So I've selected my general Belisarius, and then you create subordinate cities that comes with levels. So I'll show you that later on. And if I'll also go through the what kind of troops you should have mostly for attacking, because every different troop has different qualities. Okay, so as you see right now, I have these other ones, Hellbringers, horse archers, but I'm not selecting them. I'm selecting mostly longbow archers and cataphracts at the moment, you see. So that also depends on the quality of the troops each troop has. You just don't randomly select every troop, and then you click on march, and then the you know my troops will be going there, and then they'll attack. I'll probably receive resources if I win. Okay, so the now here the defender also has his troops, so let's see what happens. And depending on that. Okay, so hopefully I get some resources because I need to upgrade my keep. And so let us see what happened here. Attacks 1, so I did probably win. I only collected 87k out of all the resources that he had. I didn't get too many, as you see, because the opponent is weaker, you can only get 30% of the resources. So I'm not on an equal level. So this is a very great thing that the server has. So let's say if I am offline and someone who is more stronger than me attacks me, then he will not be able to make me bankrupt. He can only have a certain amount of resources. Like I only got 30% of the resources. So this is very really great in defense for the people, someone who is weaker. Okay, and so this is how it happens. This is just I wanted to show you a live attack, and we'll also go through other kind of other videos. If you have any comments, questions, please subscribe on the channel. Put your questions below on the comments, and share the videos to all the newbies for Evonie out there.